I had to buy them. Like, I had to. I didn't want to, I had to.
Ballin', ballin', yeah, I be busy ballin'.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, y'all, I done messed around and bought my first luxury item. Some people consider this company luxury, some people don't. I do, because I usually don't spend this amount of money on no shoe unless it's a sneaker, but I went on ahead and did it. This is a Christmas gift to myself. I saw these and they looked so good and I had to buy them. Like, I had to. I didn't want to, I had to. Like, it was a must. So first of all, what is the item, right? It is a thigh-high boot. Y'all know I love me a good thigh-high. They are the Steve Madden Vava Cognac patent leather thigh-high boot. Y'all, I done said 15 times already, I had to. It was a must. My life would not be complete without these. So now it is complete. Like, oh my god, these are so beautiful. Like, oh my god, perfect for the winter and the fall. Definitely wouldn't wear them in the summer, y'all, because you know this patent leather material, sis, you're gonna be sweating and uncomfortable. So definitely fall and winter boot. So freaking beautiful. The patent leather is so shiny. The heel is not too high and it's not too short. It's perfect for me. I already tried them on, but they're super comfortable to walk in. And believe it or not, the part that goes around your thigh actually fits my skinny thighs. So shout out to the girls with the skinny thighs. We good with these, y'all. They are so beautiful. Once again, I'm gonna put up the price that I paid on screen. I can't remember off the top of my head, but they also have these on ASOS for way cheaper. That's where I first saw them at, but they were sold out in my size on ASOS, but they do have them, and ASOS always restocks their items. But these definitely just became my favorite boot in my collection. So we're gonna style these today, of course, duh. And just a forewarning, it's gonna be a lot of cognac. I ain't sure you might get drunk. I'm dead. But of course, every outfit is gonna have some sort of aspect of cognac color in it. And also I'm gonna show the on feet first, and then I will get into the outfits. I won't talk about every single piece. I don't want the video to be super long, but I will have where I got each piece from on screen, and I will also link them below. Stay tuned for the on feet and the outfits, y'all. It's the best part of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Comment if you want, like if you liked it. Definitely subscribe though, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Lego. Original Batman. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to invade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chillin' in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I counting up these stacks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me they hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's bad, not the man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I tell them in the studio, man, I vibe till it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original, 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 original Batman, oh, eh, oh, I. VQ's on the vibe, on the vibe.
It's VQs.
Standard.
Ryan Little.
I just don't want to talk about each and every piece, you know. What the